take a look at the RGV almanac here. This is looking at the observed temperatures that we've seen so far today. So we still have some warming to take place at least until 4 o'clock p.m. So that's not the highs for today. But just keep in mind that our normal temperature for this time of year around 94, 95 degrees, 98 degrees, and we're expecting those highs to be at or exceeding the 100-degree mark. So that's near record-breaking temperatures there heading into for today there, and that's going to be the case at least for the next few days. As we look at that temperature trend, we're going to be up to about 99, 100 degrees. The hottest times of the day is around the 3 o'clock, 4 p.m. hours, and then ultimately temperatures warming and cooling down into the 70s there. So as far as our destination 3-day high forecast, we really can't escape the heat here across Texas, as those highs are going to be in the 90s and 100s across the board there as we go into the next 3 days. So we are expecting very hot conditions across the south central U.S., of course across South Texas as well. So future clouds and radar for today, mostly sunny skies, 100-degree temps likely from McAllen to Rio Grande City. We are expecting just a bit of cloud cover to be offshore there, but we are expecting also the humidity in combination with the actual temperatures will contribute to a fairly hot heat index. And when you factor all those factors involved there, we are going to see the highs top out in terms of the heat index up to 108 for Harlingen, as hot as 113 for Rio Grande City there. So a very hot conditions expected for this afternoon. Practice those heat safety measures that we've been mentioning all morning, as well as staying hydrated with water, as well as dealing with light coated clothing, as well as looking before you lock there. So for the next 7 days, we have this high pressure system that's just going to dominate across Mexico and South Texas. That ultimately is going to be the reason why we're going to be so hot going into the next few days. That's just really not going anywhere. So it's also going to prevent any rain from being a part of our forecast. We're just going to see those highs in the 90s and 100s, lows in the 70s, as that high pressure system just really not going away anytime soon there. So for your 7-day forecast, highs in the 100s, lows in the 70s, sunny and breezy conditions. So we're going to get some slight relief from the heat with the breezy conditions. Expect some winds to gust between about 15, 20 miles an hour there. So that breeze, definitely a relief from the still and calm winds that we've seen for the past few days there. But other than that, for the next 7 days, just very hot conditions expected. Stay hydrated out there, and of course stay cool, especially if you have to if you're spending some time outdoors, and take frequent breaks there.